YouTube, I'm Fixalex, and I want to show you how you can fix your own car. So let's get started. So today I want to talk about the self-adjusting clutch cables, and I got a brand new one I'm gonna show you guys. And as you can see, it still got the red plastic strip that locks the self-adjustment in place. So you don't want to be removing this before you install the cable onto the car. And it's actually saying on this label that you should not remove it before you installed it. But what if you removed it accidentally before you installed it on your car? I'm gonna show you how you can reset it. And if you take the cable in your left hand and take your right hand and grab the cable and you pump it, you can release the lock and you can recompress it. And the lock inside is just like a self-locking plastic strip like this one. I want to show you the mechanic inside. And I'm just gonna cut it over. When the clutch cable are expanding, it's going to lock and you can't pull it backward. And as it's going to be longer, the cable is going to get smaller. Like the plastic cover, if it's getting longer, the cable are getting smaller. And once it's reached the longest it can go, it's going to get resetted. So you can only pull it one way, and that's forward. And when you pump it to the end, you can actually compress it again. You will reset the lock. So that's how you can reset a cable. I'm just gonna show you here if your clutch cable is going to snap. This will happen to your pedal. When you try to push the clutch, it's just going to fall to the floor. So we want to remove things that's in our way, and you can remove the battery completely. I just removed the battery cap and the intake pipe here. So I got the space I need. So if you look, right here is the clutch cable. That's mounted to the clutch. And that one is the support holder for the clutch, the metal thing you can see. And then it runs below the battery and inside the car. And right there, there's a hole that's going into the car. And there's the self-adjusting compound. So it's a little bit hard to see, but so first of all, I want to remove the cable from the clutch, from the gearbox. I'm using a metal rod to pull the clutch, so I can take the cable off. There we go, and then I take it out of the metal supporter. And before you're going to install a new clutch cable, you want to make sure the pedals are set. In this car, the one who installed the last cable screwed the pedal, and it's this nut you want to turn it until the pedal is in level with the other pedals. So the new cable are going to be correctly installed, and you can see the cable behind. The nut is 13mm, so let's go get one. Mm, 13mm. Ah, this one. Yep. And we want to turn the nut clockwise until the pedal is in the level with the others. And I'm gonna speed this up a little bit because it took some time. And as you can see, I turn the knot, the pedal is going down. Just make sure you doesn't turn it too much, like I do right here. I actually turn it a little bit too much. So I'm gonna release the knot a little bit. Then I'm going to remove the old cable, and there's a hook behind on the pedal. And there's some plastic holders right there where I'm fighting. You can use a flat screwdriver to break them off. Actually small plastic strips, or what you call them, that holds the cable in place. But after you remove the cable from the gearbox and from the pedal, you can actually take it out of the engine. It's a little bit hard with one hand. But it went well. When you are installing the new cable, you first of all want to put the cable where it needs to be. That means where the old cable were running. So we're gonna take the new cable and put it below the battery. And once you got it around the battery, you want to put the pedal hook and the self-adjustment up into the hole into the pedal. And there's some plastic strips you want to push into the hole. If it's too hard for you to push, you can go inside and you can pull them up with a little flat screwdriver. As you can see, I did here. I already did it. But it's really easy, just lift them up. And once you did that, you want to mount the clutch cable to the pedal. And there's a hole on the clutch cable, on the end, of course. And there's a hook on the clutch pedal you want to put it on. It's a little bit hard and there's not so much space. So you want to put it on the clutch and hold it backward, and you want to put it inside the muffle support, and there's a plastic lock, so you want to push it until it's mounted onto the muffle supporter like this. And then when you got the cable completely installed, you want to release the cable so it can adjust itself. Since it's a self-adjusting clutch cable, we just want to remove this red plastic cover, and it should install itself. So, but I speed this up a little bit because there was not much space and it's hard to see anything. There it is. That's the releaser you want to cut off. And that's it. Then the cable should be ready to go. You just want to check it before you start the engine that it's moving and nothing is loose and everything is tight. And as you can see, the pedal is in level, the cable is not falling out of the hole. The plastic clip is on the right side of the hole. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions about the clutch cable or how to install them, feel free to write in the comments below.